You're nervous, right? You think I don't know what's going on, huh? What you jumping for?
What you mean? It's a big black dude in front of me while I'm sleeping.
You think I don't know what you did, huh? We seen what happened with Tadpole. We seen it.
We know why you out here.
Oh, and Granny don't know, huh? You all over the news, fool.
Get from me, you, and we heard about what happened to Queen. Y'all owe her money. Keep playing with us. Keep playing. Yeah, it's making you nervous. You're getting paranoid. That's how I know you did it. What y'all doing in Atlanta? You don't even know nothing about Atlanta.
But what y'all doing down
Man, y'all ain't even from Atlanta. Y'all ain't supposed to be in Chicago just like me.
Right. And Grandma don't know what's going on neither, do about Tadpole, do she?
And do Queen know anything about you with that money?
Don't worry about
Hey, man. Why is all that making all this noise, man? Seriously, man. And it's stinking this motherfucker, man.
That's him, man.
What? Yo, that's him and none of that, man. What y'all got going on, man?
He's sitting up here talking about Queen. How he know about Queen?
Queen. Oh, wait, what Queen? Queen? What you doing?